again, like a dissipated, no, burnt. No, okay, anyway. Let's start it over.
Just continue. Because you know I'm going to put that in. I just dropped stuff.
No sense I said what I was going to say now.
I cannot now.
I was going to say something else, but I can't say it. Okay. I was just saying, like a burp that you can't taste and a fart you just wasted.
I think it's the other way.
Yeah.
It's better to burp it and taste it than fart it and waste it.
Yeah. Oh, we'll just say it all up. Well, folks, since this will be in the video, like a burp you can't taste and a fart you just wasted, we are
Hot Wheels collectors, Hawaii.com.
Should we be talking about ourselves like that, man? And that's the fart and burp guy, huh?
Well, you did get me the fiber for Christmas.
Yes, I did. How's that been helping, by the way?
I don't know.
Do you feel lighter?
It's very regular.
All right, so this is our very first ever sealed case that we got. Like, we've never had one. And even though we're not sponsored yet,
Yeah.
we have to actually buy this. But this is our very first case. So what is this? Because this looks like a different code.
Yeah. So I believe this might be an international case. But the B indicates that we're looking at a B case.
Well, okay, if that's the B case. This FG better not be, initials for fat guys, because I'm going to be pissed. How did I know we was fat?
I'm not fat, I'm big bone.
Oh, yeah, I'm just tall.
But tall as in wide.
Oh, yeah, same height to weight ratio, yeah.
So this is our first unboxing.
Oh, you know what?
Right?
Look, there's something under here.
I know. Shall we...
Why don't we just,
What's funny is, on this side, whatever was there...
Oh, they took it off. Like,
taken
what
off.
the fuck, man?
Yeah.
Oh, no time. This better not be no reboxing, man. That'll be like a dick move.
It shouldn't be.
Yeah, what is this?
I don't know what that is.
Well, there's some weird stuff on this case.
That's in Hot Wheels logo.
It is?
Yeah. Let me try to see if I can get that off without...
You see, people, you learn now on our channel, huh? Or because we don't know what the hell we're doing. Oh, is it peeling off?
Shoot. Well, that is a Hot Wheels logo right here. So it's some kind of stamp. Maybe it's a seal. What does that say? CTN number. Control number?
Yeah.
Okay.
But why did they peel off the other one? Well, they think we wasn't going to see it?
That's why I think this is an international case.
Now they're going to probably... Don't send it to those guys again. We thought they were stupid, but they figured it out.
This is our case, so we can take this off.
Oh, okay. Oh, 981 CHJ. What is up with that, brah?
That's what I tell you. I think this is an international case.
Yeah, but why they gotta redo them like that? Like, look, this looks sketchy, dude.
Because international cases come with different assortments. Internationals are less likely to have super treasure hunts in them.
Oh, less likely, huh?
Less likely, yes.
Oh, okay. So, sorry, international guys. Oh, yeah, because Hawaii is not part of the 50 states, yeah. Because we're international, brother.
Okay, so just by looking at this, I have a feeling that this is a B case. So, oh no, it's a C.
It's a C?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I get that in there?
Yeah. So why'd they put that extra sticker on there? That's not. That looks.
Yeah,
that feels shady to me, man.
Very, very.
That feels very shady, bro.
Let's walk through what we got.
All right.
So that was first one. I'm gonna put it down.
Yeah.
Just like this, and hopefully everything doesn't go careening down
Okay, so we're not like the other guys, how they just do it real quickly. Like, this is our first time. We're like case virgins, okay, you guys? So, you know what I mean?
Okay, let's get back in here because these three.
Yeah, you gotta put them on. So we're case virgins, so this is our first case like that.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Oh, got the yellow Nissan.
Yeah, there you go.
That one is nice.
Yeah,
I actually am cool with it, with the rims being black on that one.
Yeah.
It actually goes well. Plus the black U stripe on there looks good.
Yep.
The scalloping.
Okay, that's.
And yeah, the bike is cool too. We totally ignore the bikes, huh? All right.
Yeah. So, we just opened that Chevy Love in the previous.
Yeah,
video.
we did the Chevy Love, but I like that.
And I think you saw this one.
Yeah. So isn't that supposed to be like the Little Red Rider or whatever it's called?
Yeah, Little Red Express.
Little Red Express. Yet it's blue.
The original was red.
Yeah. In fact, don't we have the original somewhere?
Yeah, we do. We just it's right here.
I thought we had it somewhere.
Oh, you know what? That's in the favorites. I just put that away. No, I think it's in the. I think it's in my case.
Okay, that's
Okay,
all right.
so next three.
Yeah, that Mustang is
Mustang.
awesome. I like that Mustang. That Mustang is really sick.
That is a Chevy.
That's a very beefy. What's that?
500.
Yeah, a 500.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and the truck is okay too.
Yeah.
we just not even talking about the other cars, bro.
Here's a truck.
A bunch of dicks, but we don't even mention. Like, oh, what about the other car? Yeah, whatever.
Oh yeah, look. We just opened that
Mustang. What is that? Is that a Vento?
One.
El Vento.
El Viento.
Viento. And they made
But
them orange.
Is
That's the cream
the
right
star,
there.
yeah.
Yep. I only get one too. What the farg, man?
Oh, well, one on the top. We haven't got to the bottom. Oh, look at that.
Oh, no way.
Is that Vengeance?
Yup. I don't have that.
Oh, look. Track Ripper. That's a cool one. Let's look at the Vengeance one.
Yes, let us look at the Vengeance. Look at the size of that, man. Holy crap. Look like one silver dollar on there, bro.
Yeah, that thing is huge.
Yep. Even in real life.
Yep. That's what she said.
Yep.
Michael.
You see, we cannot not drop stuff on these damn videos.
Okay.
That's how you know we real.
Okay, Audi.
It's a good thing you're opening yours, yeah?
Well, probably not these, because I already opened these.
Now people can be like, you better not sell them to us, you dropped it.
Yeah. You can get them for cheap. At $10.50 each. Oh, look. More carbonators. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
the dinosaur one. We really not like the other guys how they do it. We're just like cutting costs over here.
okay, so this is a star lineup. Let's go one by one.
All star right there. The V-Dub.
VW pickup.
And that's a new model too.
That is a new model for 2019. And then
of course the Mustang. Favorite. Yep. And it actually says Hot Wheels in the Flames, which is cool, bro.
Yes. And then last but not the least, I remember looking for this.
Yep, Ranchero.
This Ranchero. I think
it's a nice color too.
Yeah.
Wheels look cool, chrome.
I don't know. We wouldn't know that. Okay, Groomobile. Awesome.
That's cool. That would be cool if that whole thing, that Groomobile, was chrome.
Did you see somebody chrome that?
No.
They used that awesome spray on chrome.
Oh, somebody did it already?
Yep.
Wow.
And it looks really nice.
Somebody read my mind, man. What the hell? I gotta wear a foil hat nowadays.
I don't know. You only talk about it, you don't show us.
Yeah, that's true. I'm sorry.
Oh, this is cool. Super B.
Yeah.
No, Daytona.
Oh, the bottom is a Daytona. That one is nice.
The hovering out. This is super cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
That Super B is really, I mean, a Super B. See, that got me saying Super B now.
All right, look at that. We have the
Civic. Oh no, the CRX.
And the CRX.
Well, that is nice.
That is nice. Now I have three.
That's the one everybody hoarding.
Oh, and shoot, I have that
the
too.
Corvette.
There's another one of that Ranchero, and then we have the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. That's the Super in this case.
What color is that? That's like a
yellow.
Is it like a metallic yellow? No, it's the
it's a Spectra Flame.
Yeah, Spectra Flame. Yeah.
Okay, what's on the bottom? So obviously no Super because Supers are on the top. Okay, can we see in there?
See the Kafer and see the Camaro and I can see the box.
Oh, look. Okay, yeah. Let's get to the bottom.
Ooh, is that a guac?
I was just looking at that.
All right,
roller
so
toaster.
if we just take the toaster, it'd be cool if it had either Eggo waffles or Pop Tarts in there. That would have been even better.
It's probably going to be on the next case.
You see, Hot Wheels.
I mean,
you steal my idea. I like royalties, huh?
But wouldn't that they'd probably have to pay? It would be a licensed model.
Yeah, but it'd be cool though.
It'd be really expensive. It would be the holy roller toaster.
Oh yeah.
I like this truck. I might steal the wheels.
What was that X-Racer, bro? Yeah, the wheels are cool. X-Racers, I don't know about the orange. I remember had the blue ones are nice.
Too tough.
That paint job, I gotta say again, the truck might be a little weird looking, but
It's
paint
like
job is
Spectre Flame.
yeah. A paint job is like primo, dude.
I might need to move this.
Yeah, that looked like he's gonna fall, man. There's gonna be a huge crash.
Yeah.
And everybody's gonna think it's my fault.
I know it is.
Dick.
Oh, there's a second truck. The
yeah.
Dodge,
So that's the Copo right there.
100. And
New
then the-
model.
Copo Camaro.
Yeah.
We just opened that.
Yeah. I like how we just really enhanced the truck. This is a Dodge truck again. Like it's a burden.
Oh, you know what? I've never seen that. That what's that?
Ducati, yeah.
Never seen that.
Panigale. Or Panigale, or
There must
however
be
you
a
want
lot
to
of
say
people
it.
collecting that because I never see it. Oh, and the Kafer in yellow. Moon eyes.
Kefir. Sounds like something. Sounds like a pastry, yeah.
Yeah.
Give me 2 of those Kefirs with the sprinkles on it. All right.
Ooh.
Oh, the white Skyline.
Yeah. This is R30. Yeah, Kitty R30. Nice. I can't wait to open those red ones.
We didn't even mention that other car in the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it was so thorough.
Volkswagen Golf.
Ooh, I haven't seen that color.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then the Minecraft.
Yeah,
I think
Minecraft.
the old ones, the Minecraft had 2 different card arts, but I think these have the same.
Yeah.
So the car was the same in all of them, just the card art was a little different. Okay, what's next?
Okay.
Oh, look.
Well, not a toaster,
The
and I got the Camaro. Oh, the 2018.
Yeah, the Brimble.
Yeah. Brembo.
Brimble.
Mind you, people, this is our first time cracking one case open, so we case
Yeah.
virgins and we're not experts yet.
Okay, so Rip Rod, High Beam, yay. Sarcasm. It's deep with this one.
And that's why we're not sponsored.
So more Sandovar. That's the one we missed on the last.
Yeah, and that's the Mustang that was blue the last time.
This
Yeah,
one's blue and Super Treasure Hunt.
yeah. It's got that fin that folds in the middle. Oh, that's the
Ooh,
Mustang.
here we go.
Is that the guac, man?
That is
Oh,
the
yeah, that's the guac, baby.
Guaczilla.
Wow, a lot of guys they
Yeah.
weren't digging that paint job. That Mustang is nice. Is that a
Yeah.
6.5? Huh?
I think it's all right though. The paint job on that.
The guac.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't mind it. It would have been better if it was just all green.
Yeah.
That green is sweet.
Okay, so it does come one to the cage.
All right.
So another wheelie and then a custom Volkswagen Beetle.
Now, that one looks like it got all. It's funny how it's brand new, but they put the beat up look on it. Like,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, last 3.
I don't know why. I don't know why that doesn't happen in real life because my car's all beat up. But I don't know.
You know what? That's the only bumper though.
Wow.
I didn't know that came one.
Wow. See what happens when you
And
buy
then-
one case? You get educated, huh?
Then Chevelle.
Hey,
It's
some
just
guy
something that-
cut that in half. So I see the guy chop top it and change out the rims. Looks pretty good, man.
Change out the rims.
Yeah, he changed out the rims and he cut the top.
Oh, you know what? There's a Super in that body.
Oh
The
yeah.
Fire one.
Oh yeah,
Archie.
yeah.
The one that I dropped?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The first
You
one.
dropped so many treasure hunts. I don't know.
So that's
So,
the case.
so this is the C case, right?
This is the C case.
All right. So obviously there's only one Batmobile that we got and
Yep.
one guac. So I don't know if that's normal.
Oh, and there's only one Fair Lady Z.
Oh yeah, that's right. There's only one Fair Lady, bro.
Wow. That's
Interesting, bro.
no wonder I can't find that in the store. Well, I don't need to know, but alright.
Oh, I have to. What
So
about
we're-
me? I gotta go look for that damn thing now. You know, if you're gonna say that, do it with authentication, okay?
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. I have to believe that you care. You know, don't want to be that human cattle. Oh.
Okay, so let's close this one out.
All right, so we're shutting down this case right now, and as you can see, we only talked about the ones we liked. Well, you know, that's what happens when you gotta buy your own case, right?
Yeah. So we did get a good deal on this case. So we're getting one a month for the next 12 months. So
yeah. So you know, we're happy. We're stoked. Our very first case, yay for us! You know, so thanks for sticking around and kicking it with us, and hopefully you didn't get no education out of it. But now you guys know what we like. I'm just kidding. So that little bell on the top, you know what to do with that. You know, just tap that a few times. I was going to say hit the buy and sell. Did I use tap the wrong way? Should I not have used tap?
nah.
Nowadays you can't use tap in here. Did you hit that? Did you tap that? Hey, it's smashed.
It's a whole different kind of tap.
Yeah, so I was going to say buy and sell. What is this, eBay? Hit the buy and sell.
You know, we're not sponsored by them either.
Yeah, I know. They should sponsor us, those frickers. We buy so much stuff from them.
There's only one Groommobile, too.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, there is only one.
But there's two of the Electrac. What's up with that?
Yeah, I don't know why. Hey, let's put two of these weird ones in here, but let's leave one of the good stuff. Hey, there's only one V-Dub too, bro.
One VW
and one Mustang. So that means another case. They must have a buttload of them in there.
Maybe because this is the second case they're in.
Oh, okay.
It could be. I don't know.
Did they come out of the B?
I don't know. We never got a B.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We never did get a B.
Yeah.
You see what happens? You see what happens when you gotta buy stuff on your own? It never comes in sync.
Hey, wait a minute.
What?
This stuff is like huge.
Yeah.
How tall it is.
That's what she said too.
This way.
Yeah.
I wonder. It felt like it was gonna fall over.
Now it's all legit right there. One freaking Nova too.
Yeah, one Nova.
Holy crap! Wow.
There's two of the Dodge D1.
Yeah, two of the trucks. Yeah, but that's whatever.
Okay, well, I stand corrected. I've always thought that the assortment had two of each.
No. Oh, even the little red blue truck.
Oh yeah.
There's only one. Even the Chevy Love is only one. Oh, interesting. There's a lot of like singles in here.
Yeah. But what's in it that's double then?
I mean,
we had stuff that was double too.
Yeah. Well, that means if there's only one, that means it should shoot up to a whopping $2, huh?
Maybe even $1.50.
Yeah. All right. So, hey, aren't we missing something?
Nah.
Okay, we're not. Okay, I thought we were missing something.
Maybe we should. Oops, I just knocked it over.
Oh.
So, the company we got the case from, I also got this one.
Yeah. Can't
Let's
see
go
it.
into close up.
You gotta reverse it.
Let's.
So for all you guys out there, you got some douchebags out there selling these Civics, saying it's treasure hunts, but it's not. And I feel bad for the guys that got burnt because I've seen a few of them out there that were listed as treasure hunts, but they're not. And the only way you're gonna find out is if you check the license plate.
Yeah.
It's gotta say TH, man. You gotta have some good eyes. So bring your magnifying glass too, or your glasses if you got to. But if it doesn't say TH, you bought a regular one for whatever price you pay. If you didn't pay no cheap price, like a couple of bucks, yeah, you got jacked. And like I said, I feel bad because there's a lot of guys trying to pull that crap.
So our subscription came with the case. I get one Super Treasure Hunt a month,
Which is cool.
Yep. And we also got this car culture case, but we've already opened this one because it is a golf set.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So that's why this one's not in it. It's one mail call for all of them, but we just did a unboxing of this case.
Okay, so we are done here. Once again, the two guys, always from
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
We'll see you next time.
Peace out.
Shoot!